Welcome to some more must play or games. Today we'll be playing Legend of K.
In the days of wonder, our island of Yanqing was a happy and peaceful place.
This might be a short or long episode. I might try and take it so it will be an hour. So just a warning. But it might not be an hour. I'll try and complete the whole game in this episode. Alright? But of course I'll be watching these.
It is said that the magical waters of these fountains nourish not only
I already played it and it's awesome. Of course I played as a cat. So the title might be, this game is Meow. No, that doesn't make sense. This game is Meow is awesome. And there's also rats and gorillas and bears.
Fell into complacency and lost their vigilance.
Yeah. I'm gonna be quiet now to make sure I'm not ruining your guys' fun.
Evil grew, and the gorillas invaded our land.
Leave a comment below if you ever heard of this game before.
Now they are joined by the rat capitalists.
I never heard of it until I played it.
Their path of darkness spreads everywhere. Only if
This
we
game in Mass
lead the
Effect
way can we
2.
hope to find our path back to greatness.
And Zombie, I never played those. Oh, story time.
My parents say there are few among the free peoples who still follow the way. Please, Kay, come with me. We must rally the people, guide them back to the way.
That's a load of scab. The gorillas took over because they're strong and good fighters.
And this is rate
All days in
E10,
history,
so just
Master
to give
says
you
the way
warning.
is just an old myth. Master says that
Master is an old myth himself, and he drinks too much Nettle.
no way. 40 years ago, he was the finest weapons master in all of Yanqing.
Was. I've had enough. I'm going home to my village, if there's anything left of it. Maybe I can find someone there with enough backbone to stand up to Minister Shunner's news. No one here but has-beens and wannabes.
I'm ready for my next lesson.
Never interrupt a man's meditation.
That's enough for you guys. Never interrupt meditation.
Put these pots in my way.
Let's get you to bed,
And
Master.
it also might be funny.
Oh,
Tomorrow the sun will rise.
the sun
Already 3 minutes
I'm a
in.
warrior. Yeah, tomorrow.
Tomorrow's another day. Oh, now I can play? Come on, let me move. Oh, let me move. I want to do stuff. Not just sit around on my butt. Wait, can I move now? Oh, come on, I can't move.
Why all the uproar? The master's hitting the bottle and barely able to stand. Su Ling is prattling on about the way, and meanwhile we've been practically invaded by rats and gorillas.
No way. Just a bunch of claptrap. If you ask me, the
Yeah,
problem is in
I
the
did warn you
nurses.
guys there might be
And
some
my
swears
day.
like crap.
But no, the best lessons
Well.
come from life itself. Nah, I'm starting to
Plus,
sound
I
like your
played
master. Get out
GTA
there and look
a long
around
time
on your
ago
own.
when I was with
But
Legend of
what if?
the Skylines 2.
Yes, Uncle. See you later.
Kay, before you leave, always remember, if you've got a question, just stop by. I'll help you wherever I can. Whenever you've got a question, just come and see me.
Oh, yeah, I can move now. Yay! Eh. I'm gonna get out of this place. So where do I have to go? Oh.
Kay, come here at once.
Hey, Ubai. What's so earth-shaking?
I have a dispatch of highest importance.
Come on. What's the big deal?
Kay, get a grip. You have to bring this dispatch to the rat camp for me.
What am I, a mailman? Well, mail cat. Huh?
Yes, yes, I will do this for the Grand Imperial Ubai.
Jump, jump. Yeah, I already know that's the safe spot. This episode might be called Mailman. There's no action. Just run button.
Hey, Zippy.
Read the posters, punk. They contain useful information.
Be quiet, monkey. Your end will come. Secret door?
You're so hungry, or I bash you good. Food now.
Makes sense. Me so hungry. Me food now.
Nobody get in.
Chill, dumpster breath. You think I actually want to enter your stinks kill zone?
Hey, pussy boy, watch your mouth.
Haha.
Whatever. Here, I got a message for you.
Give me now.
Give me now.
Mail Weisker. He agrees on everything. Bring this to the present.
Do I look like your personal mailman, Ratty?
Yes.
This episode might be called Personal Mail Rat
Sarcasm is
or
wasted on
Personal
these
Mail
dipwads.
Cat.
Take mail, yes.
Just give me the stupid thing.
Yeah. Jump, 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 jump. The beginning is actually pretty boring. Oh.
Hey, Tan, what are you looking for?
Okay, I lost 3 of my pumpkins. If I can't find them soon, I'll need some help getting them back.
Alright, I'll be looking for them. Oh, door.
Better not go inside. I have more important things to do first.
Alright then, Kay. If you want, we don't go in.
Here, Ubai, a message from those garbage swilling rats.
Already 7
Well
minutes.
done, my son. You'll make something of yourself yet. Let me see. Tack, the chief of rats, is quite wise. He thinks I'm a very competent manager.
Great. So you two can start a mutual admiration society.
By the way, your master sends for you. You should go to the school for training.
Awesome. Finally, some action.
Yeah. But that will be in the next episode. So see you guys later.